Farewell forever chemicals. One state is banning chemicals found in almost everything, including pots and pans, kids' toys, makeup, and even carpet. Should we be worried? Dr. Sue has the answers next.
All right, welcome back. Minnesota is poised to become the first state to ban what are referred to as forever chemicals, which can be found in all sorts of stuff you use every day, including your carpet, pots and pans, makeup, even kids' toys. If signed into law in Minnesota, the ban will be the most wide-ranging in America and could force companies to completely rethink how they make stuff. So is it worth it? Our next guest says yes. Dr. Sue Decotiis joins us live here in Studio M. Doctor, thank you very much for joining us.
Good morning.
Okay, so in particular, these PFAs. PFAs are in everything, but we don't know it.
They're pervasive, and they're really insidious, Steve, because once they get into the body, they trick your body into changing its metabolism. And they also impact your immune system. So there's an increased incidence of kidney disease, kidney cancer, testicular cancer, and I believe they're largely responsible for the epidemic of obesity that we have.
No kidding. So, but when you look on a label, you don't see that, do you?
Sometimes you see fluoros or you see PFAs, but you have to check your labels very carefully.
Okay. Speaking of checking your labels very carefully, there was a story in the Daily Mail that talked a little bit about how some of our favorite fast food chains, in particular 14, you think you're buying a chicken something. As it turns out, they're bulking it up with other stuff, which can include seaweed and beef and soy and oats and wood. I got no problem with soy, although I know that is a problem for some people. But the other stuff, why would they put wood in it?
It's insane. I mean, I think they're just using this as fillers. It's cheaper for them, so they can give you a piece of chicken and not put real meat in it. But luckily, my patients, I practice here in Manhattan, and people are pretty savvy. They don't eat a lot of fast food. So I'm really more concerned about the PFAs for them.
Sure, I can understand it. According to the research, McDonald's famous chicken nuggets, okay, it's a nugget. We don't know. It's chicken and something else. Turns out it is let's see, it contains yeast, dextrose, and lemon juice, among many other ingredients. Those don't sound too bad, but it's not completely chicken.
Yeah, that's true. And the soybean oil for some people can be bad, especially those people that are overweight and eat a lot of junk food, because it has omega-6s. And as you know, the omega-3s, that's the good stuff.
Right.
So if you eat too much of that, it's not good. And who knows what else is in there as far as chemicals go?
Sure, because I know, for years they tried to get fast food restaurants to go ahead and put up the number of calories, the amount of fat and sugar in it, but they don't necessarily put the ingredients.
Report those. But again, some states are really requiring that they do. And as you know, Denmark has banned all of these substances.
So when you go for a chicken nugget somewhere, where do you go?
I like to buy a rotisserie chicken.
Oh, look at that. Listen, it's already cooked. It's $5.
There we go.
All right. Dr. Sue, thank you very much for making a studio call today.
Thank you.
All right.